Hey, Ava, are you gonna help me cook today?
Phone? Yeah.
We're gonna make steak tacos.
Yeah, I do.
All right. So today's gonna be a different cooking. It's gonna be cooking with kids, and Ava's gonna be helping us out. But also, I'm gonna be filming this one myself. So we're gonna see how this goes. Wish me luck.
My hand.
Mm-hmm.
I like the one, so let's put it in right there.
Put it right here? Yeah, put it right there. That's fine. Perfect.
No, Mommy, put it right there.
Okay.
So, what's that?
A tomato.
A tomato.
What else do we have in the bag?
It's a ball.
It's a lime.
No, it's a ball. It's a body.
It's a lime.
Yes, it's right. I think something else. What's that?
That's a jalapeno.
I would try it.
That's spicy. Do you like spicy?
What's that?
That's sour cream.
I would try it. What's that?
And we have Queso Fresco. We have cheese.
It's just a gun.
All right. So that's what we have for the barboca tacos today.
What's that?
A jalapeno. Yeah, this is a little more of a struggle. This is they're sliced, so which saves you a lot of time actually. So we're just gonna separate these apart. I'm gonna only use half of this right now, and we're gonna let it marinate with a little bit of lemon juice. This isn't how the recipe goes for the home chef. Alright, so we are going to take half a lemon and add it to the seasoning room.
Lemon.
Try it.
Good.
Try the lemon. You want to add some? Good job. Thank you. Do you want to take a bite out of it? Take a bite.
No, I don't like this. Take a bite. just take a bite. You want it, Mommy?
We're just going to mix these around and let them sit for about 15 minutes. Leva's trying to add some more lemon juice. Thanks, Mama.
Oh, you're welcome.
She didn't really get anything in there, but it's okay. We'll make her think she helped. All right. Now we're gonna let this sit, and then we're gonna add more seasoning to it when it's cooking. All right. Now Ava's gonna help me mix the meat. I already added lemon juice and cumin and the chili seasoning. Ava, take your hand and go like this. Go like this, Mama.
Got me. Oh, no. Man.
Alright, so now we're gonna cut the jalapenos. We're gonna de-seed one of them. I do like a little spice. We're trying to make really thin strips. These are like perfect. Tomato, we're gonna dice it. This is how it makes dicing easier for me. I kind of do this with onions and tomatoes as well. Alright, so it kind of looks like that. Then you gotta hold it pretty firmly in the middle. And you make a cut. Tomatoes are always hard to cut. They always give me issues. And I'm going to take the tomatoes and put them into a little bowl. Alright, now we're going to half the lime. Alright. We have a shallot we're going to cut in half and then peel. To make it easier, you can always just take the knife and run it like that. Just pull it. Alright. Same thing to the other side. There we go. And now we're going to cut the shallot. I'm just going to go like that and then like this. And we're going to do that to both halves. Be careful when you are doing that. If you're not confident with the knife, don't do it that way. And we're going to move this one to the plate with our jalapenos and our lime. If you've never had a shallot before, it's basically like the mild onion. Alright, so we have our shallots, our jalapenos, and our lime. We're going to take all the jalapenos and put them in the bowl. I do have some seeds in there. I don't mind spice. Ava actually likes spicy too. And it says to use 1/4 of the shallots and the lime juice. These limes are actually not juicy at all. We use both sides of the lime for this though. If you can see, we're not getting much. It's actually a really hard lime. Got a little bit of juice coming out. Then we're going to do the second one. Got a little bit more juice in this one. So I'm just going to finish juicing these limes with both hands, and then I'll show you how the next step goes. Put the oil in the pan. It's not hot yet. I'm going to put the oil in and then heat it up just because for her safety. You want to help me put the oil in?
Yeah.
Alright, you got to pour it like all over. This is for steering the meat, so we want to get them out.
So
Alright.
So why?
You want to help me turn the oven on?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, turn this one on.
I can't.
Okay, I'll help you. And we're gonna turn that to about 6.
Okay.
Alright. Do you wanna do it? Do you wanna help me put the meat in the pan? Alright, pro tip by the way, make sure you wash your hands after dealing with jalapenos, because if you touch your eyes, it's not. Alright, so we're gonna have Ava tear up the cilantro since I don't want to use knives or scissors for like this.
Like this?
We're gonna tear it like in here. No, like this. You have to tear it like this. Like this, baby. Now zoom into this.
I'm gonna put it there.
You gotta grab it and pull it, baby, like this. There you go.
What's that?
This is sour cream, and we're gonna mix it with cilantro. Okay, Ava?
I do.
You wanna help me squeeze it?
Mm-hmm.
Can you help me? There we go. Try. Okay, let me see. Go like this. Move your fingers. You got a little bit on you, huh? Look, look. That's like such a little bit of sour cream for this pouch, but that's all that's in there.
Okay.
Okay, Ava, take a pinch of this and put it in that. Take a pinch of this and put it in there. Alright. We're just gonna mix it. You wanna mix it?
Yeah.
Come closer. Come into it. Alright, mix it good. Alright, good job.
Hold on.
Right there. It says to add a tablespoon of water and a tablespoon of water and a tablespoon of oil. Ava, what are you doing, baby?
Oh no.
Sometimes it sounds fun to have kids help, but it's not always fun. Hey, do not touch it with your fingers. What'd you say, Ava?
I just be careful.
Yeah, we're gonna be very, very careful. She's gonna help you put the meat in the pan. You're just gonna drop it, okay? Grab a handful and drop it in the pan. Don't touch it.
Wait.
Like this. Mommy's gonna show you like this. You just drop it in there. There we go. More. All right. Go a little nicer. Put it in a little nicer. All right. You put it in there. Just throw it in the pan. It's all right. It's all right. It's like basketball. All right. Now we're gonna let this cook. All done. Woo! All right. Now mommy's gonna cook it. Okay.
No, give me my down.
Okay. So I was supposed to separate the steak a little better because it is like thinly cut, but it was already pre-cut like that. So I'm just going through and separating it so it cooks better. Because it looks like big chunks, but it's not. It's actually just small strips. So just make sure you cut them really small or separate them before you put them in the pan. Luckily I'm good with heat, but if you're not, it is pretty hot. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'll let you guys see it. Guys, this is how it looks when it's ready. It's way thinner. Looks really good. It smells really good. The onions are caramelized and the tomato is broken down a bit. So now we're gonna assemble our tacos, and I'll show you the final product. We're gonna let Ava help me with this. All right, so we have some toppings. We're gonna have Ava put on her taco. You want to put some cheese on there?
No.
Grab a pinch and put some cheese on there. Don't eat it. Put it on your taco. She loves cheese, so she did that generously. All right, hon. Let's get some cilantro. Grab a little bit and put it on your taco like you just did with the cheese. Don't do a lot. All right. I don't think she'll like that much.
I picked the leg cheese.
Good job. And then you want to gotta be very careful and put some on there. Okay, you gotta scoop it with this and put it on your taco. Uh-oh. Be careful. You gotta dollop it. Let me show you. Like this. There we go. Look that good? You want some more? Or is that good? Okay. Alright, good try. Oh, there we go. All done. Now let's take a bite. Those have jalapenos. I don't think she's going to want that, so we're not going to put it on.
That's mine.
We're going to have her try it, and then I'll make mine, and we'll try mine as well.
That's mine.
Yeah, this is Ava's. Let's have you try it. Take a bite. Alright. Oh. Is it good? Alright, now we're gonna make adult tacos. The meat is really good and tender. And I really want some of the tomatoes. And so we're gonna do that. We're gonna add some cheese, some Queso Fresco, some cilantro. It's like, I added a little bit of lime to this. It's like lime, sour cream, cilantro, and oil. And then we have some pickled jalapeno with shallots. I want some more. Alright. Alright, so now we're gonna try it. This is the ultimate test. It looks really good, honestly. I've been really surprised with all of these meals, I guess, that I have gotten so far. Honestly, this is really good. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. It's not as impressive as the lasagna was, but it's honestly still really good. Something you seem like you'd get at from a restaurant. Definitely a high-star restaurant. I love how we did the pickled jalapenos. It gives it a crunch. And the meat is very tender and very seasoned. I added a little bit of lime juice that wasn't part of the recipe, but I marinated it too, and that wasn't part of it. So I did marinate the meat first, and I think that would help a lot with flavor. But honestly, the whole meal, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. So everything I got from Home Chef was very successful, and I'm definitely going to try it. Alright guys, if you guys have any ideas on any new upcoming videos, go ahead and leave them in the comments, and like and subscribe to my page.